okay. Kayla is okay. Kayla, let him go. Kayla. Kayla, that's enough. That's enough. Kayla, what did you do to him? Wasn't that too much? I know you want to discipline him, but be gentle now. Kayla. Kayla girl. Don't discipline him too much. What did he do? I should mind my business. You're my business. Your business is my business. Okay? Kayla, treats? Oh no, I won't give you treats because of how you treated your baby. What is baby's name? His name is Kayla Onyx Biggie.